it's colder here than anyone told me the South could get. And I took to staying up real late and smoking cigarettes. The cheap tobacco burns the way that bridge between us did. And I'm left looking at the glowing ends. But am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great divide. I wish I could take the hands of time and turn them in reverse. I'd take back every long goodbye with venom in my words. The only way to being found is getting lost at first. But all I find are more bridges to burn. So am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great divide.
You wake up and you said that you can't be alone tonight. These are days that I find. I'm just waiting for tonight.
I've been searching too hard for my soul. Like it matters which words lead us home. When the end will not reveal its face, I guess I will rest in palms of grace. Am I lost or found, or am I just here waiting around until someone comes and tells me it's okay to move, and I'll take another step toward you? Taste like wine, yeah, you taste like wine. You taste like wine. I can't find those vines. Was a path one my feet made clear? Was it laid out long before I appeared? Each new love feels the same as before, yet each old one keeps me longing for more. Is this all that we get, or is there something that we forget when we are born in hope to find it once again? Open doors picking us into you. Taste like wine, yeah, you taste like wine. You taste like wine. show me home and we'll go. So come on, show me home and we'll go.